You've noticed a shift in the world of finance. The smartest investors in the world are no longer gambling on overvalued tech stocks. They're investing in the raw materials that power our world. Commodities. Now, I've been a commodity investor for over 15 years, and I'm the host of one of the world's largest commodity investment conferences. I teach a 10-chapter course on commodity investing for beginners. No complex strategies, just actionable information. From the fuel in your car to the battery in your phone, commodities are the silent engine of the global economy. It's the raw materials like oil, gold, and uranium that power our lives and could power your portfolio. Our comprehensive course breaks down the complexities so you can make informed decisions and gain financial freedom. My team and I have assembled a 10-chapter course to get you started on building your portfolio as a commodity investor. Everything you need to know to have a competitive advantage and an edge in this market, providing you with the skills to make informed decisions, unlocking investment opportunities most people don't even know exist. I'm Jay Martin, and this is the Commodity University. Get started today.